This video is part of the series titled Exactly How Right-Hand Masturbation Changes the Human Body. Right-hand masturbation will tend to shrink the entire right side of the body. Please take a moment to examine this example picture, which shows a human body changed by right-hand masturbation. The shrinkage of the right side of the head makes it look darker than the left side of the head and weakens the muscular control of the right side of the head. The weakened right side of the head is unable to stop the stronger left side of the head from rotating the head to the left or from tilting the head to the right. The most intriguing observations about the example picture are associated with the man's right hand. The man's right hand is dark, and it looks like it has no fingers because they are folded back into the palm. Those observations are indicative of a crippled right arm. It can be helpful to visualize the arms as behaving like balloons. A crippled arm would be like an uninflated balloon. A healthy arm would be like an inflated balloon. When an uninflated balloon is inflated, it expands dramatically in size and extends away from the air inlet. The man's left hand is healthy because it extends out from the left arm like an inflated balloon. The left hand is extended out from the left wrist, and the left fingers are extended out from the hand. The man's right hand is unhealthy because it hangs down from the right arm like an uninflated balloon. The right hand hangs down from the right wrist, and the right fingers hang down and back from the hand. It is not a coincidence the path of the line following the man's closed right hand looks like the hooked hand of a pirate. According to Happy Theory, the stereotypical depiction of pirates having a hooked hand is because pirates are at sea for long periods of time with no sex, which means they have to masturbate for sexual relief. All of that masturbation while they are at sea gives them a hooked-looking hand like the example man's right hand. There are many different ways to explain why right-hand masturbation produces the specific pattern of bodily changes that it does. One of those ways involves a theoretical model of the human body called the arch view of the human body. According to the arch view of the human body can be treated as if it is composed of two large arches located approximately as shown in this picture. Masturbation will shrink one of those arches. The arch that shrinks depends on which hand is used for masturbation. Right-hand masturbation will majority shrink the right arch, while left-hand masturbation will majority shrink the left arch. In the case of the example man, right-hand masturbation has reduced the arch on the right side of his body until it is approximately sized as shown in this picture. The more normal, though still slightly affected left arch of the body is shown in this picture. The disparity in size between the two arches is responsible for the man's entire appearance. If someone were to calculate or intuit how the interaction between the two different sized arches would affect a normal human body, their result would be the human body shown in the example picture. The effects of masturbation on the human body can be predicted because the human body is an engineering construct that obeys the laws of physics and the principles of engineering. All that is needed is a theoretical model of the human body that accurately represents how the human body behaves and the details of how that theoretical model has been changed. Mathematics, the laws of physics, and the principles of engineering can then be used to explain any observed change in the normal look of an affected human body.